What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today, I'm bringing to you another new one, Marshmallow Clouds by Hawaiian Punch. I don't know how long this one's been out, probably a month or two, maybe more, I don't know. But it's delicious. It tastes like Lucky Charms cereal with a little more fruit-flavored accents. I don't know, maybe you'll see it as something different. Either way, it's pretty delicious. So let's get to it. Come on. 80 grams sugar plus 40 grams gelatin. All right, we're going to give those a quick little whisking. Next, into the pot, we need 225 grams of corn syrup. Maybe it's being a pain in the butt. 5 minutes later. All right. I'd rather a little over than a little under. Next in, 125 grams applesauce. Oh, screwed that up. Threw it in right before the zero set. Luckily for you, and most especially me, I weigh this before I put it in. And for the flavor, we're going Hawaiian Punch Marshmallow Clouds. Oh man, this is good. And we're doing 3 of them to start. This almost has a cereal flavor to it, kind of like Lucky Charms. Let's get this thing out of the way. Let's give it a good swirl. Sound like that bird was clowning. All right, we're gonna let this sit for 7 to 10 minutes to allow all that gelatin to bloom, and then we'll put it on the heat. See you soon. I added 5 flavorings, not 3. At the end, I tasted it, and I thought, I'm gonna add some more. We will also be using 2 ounces liquid coconut oil with 1 level tablespoon scoop lecithin granules, plus 5 grams cream of tartar with 3 pinches malic acid. I've decided to add a little bit of this, 2 teaspoons. Teaspoons. One and a 2. Stir that up real quick. There we go. All right. See you soon. So off screen, I added just a little bit of red and a little more white to get us that pretty pink that you're seeing. It's nice, right? All right, it is now time to add the oil. So you know what that means. Slow-mo. All right, we're gonna stir this for the next 3 to 5 minutes until all that oil is fully absorbed by the gelatin. But, you know, I won't make you sit here and watch it the whole time. So, once that's done, I'll let it sit for a few minutes till it reaches that low simmering boil, and then it'll be time to add the acids. See you soon. Toodles! Okay, so we're just about there, as you can see. So I'm gonna go grab the acids, and I'll be right back. Gotta stir it up real good. Now we stir for the next couple minutes. Turn up the heat a little bit, just a little, so we can evaporate out the excess water. That usually takes 2-3 minutes. Nothing too bad. So I'm gonna do that and then get the pour station ready, and I'll see you over there. And away we go. And that's all there is to it. See you when it's time to sand, everybody. And there you have it, Marshmallow Cloud Gummies. They really are good, and I really do believe you'll like them. With the addition of the vanilla bean paste, oh, came out perfect. I feel like that's what it was missing. Anyway, if you decide to make it and you need some help, you know what to do. Until next time, I'm Burns. Bye.